Und welcome back, Bitches! Hier ist wieder der Dude. Jetzt habe ich statt nur zu cutten doch ein bisschen gebraucht, um weiterzumachen. Naja, macht nichts. Ja, nachdem wir ein verwirrenderes Ende nach dem anderen haben, fällt mir jetzt langsam gar nicht mehr ein, was ich so machen könnte. Ich weiß gar nicht mehr. Das Telefon sind wir schon mal rangegangen. Ausgesteckt haben sie auch schon mal. Da könnte man eigentlich noch... Ich weiß es! Jetzt weiß ich es. Ich gehe durch. Bei diesen farbigen Türen gehe ich diesmal durch die richtige Tür.
What could it mean? Stanley decided to go to the meeting room. Perhaps he had simply missed a memo.
Dass ich trotzdem in die andere Richtung... kann mich auch täuschen. Piep, piep, piep. Hihi. Okay.
When Stanley came to a set of 2 open doors,
Nope.
he entered the door on it. This was not the correct way to the meeting room, and Stanley knew it perfectly well. Perhaps he wanted to stop by the employee lounge first, just to admire it. Standing
It's
now
beautifully
in
here,
the
ich
room,
weiß.
Stanley for the first, but eager to get back to business, Stanley took the first open door on his left.
No.
Stanley was so bad at following directions, it's incredible he wasn't fired years ago.
Ich kann mal versuchen, was passiert, wenn der runterspringt. Ah!
But in his eagerness to
Ow!
prove that he is in control of the story and no one gets to tell him what to do, Stanley leapt from the platform and plunged to his death. Good job, Stanley. Everyone thinks you are very powerful.
Wow, okay. Okay, das war dämlich. Das war dämlich.
All of his co-workers were... Wait, no.
Was?
This isn't the right office, is it? Is this Stanley's office?
Was? Ja, 427 ist meins, oder? Hoffentlich habe ich jetzt nicht wieder irgendwas kaputt gemacht, weil ich da runtergesprungen bin.
When Stanley came to a set of 2 open doors, he entered the door on his left.
Okay.
This was not
Nope.
the correct way to the meeting room, and Stanley knew it perfectly well.
Ja.
Perhaps he wanted to stop by the employee lounge first, just to admire it.
It's
Stanley
beautiful.
felt lightheaded, butterflies in his stomach.
Right.
But eager to get back to business, Stanley took the first open door on his left.
No.
Stanley was so bad at following directions, it's incredible he wasn't fired years ago.
Ja, also runterspringen klappt auch nicht so wirklich. Dann...
Look, Stanley, I think perhaps
Was
we've
ist das?
gotten off on the wrong foot here. I'm not your enemy, really, I'm not. I realize that investing your trust in someone else can be difficult, but the fact is that the story has been about
Yay!
nothing. What? Really?
Yes!
In the middle of something, do you have zero consideration for others? Are you that convinced that I want something bad to happen to you? Why, I don't know how to convince you of this, but I really do want to help you, to show you something beautiful. Look, let me prove it. Let me prove that I'm on your side. Give me a chance.
Okay. Diesmal werde ich auf dich hören, mein Gutster. Ich weiß zwar gar nicht mehr, was passiert ist, als ich das letzte Mal durch die falsche Tür gegangen bin, aber ja.
Now listen carefully, this is important. Stanley walked through the red door.
Da würde ich auch gern durchgehen. Naja. Gut, dann eben durch die rote Tür.
Oh, thank God you are willing to listen to me. Do you see that I really have wanted you to be happy all this time? The problem is all these choices. The two of us always trying to get somewhere that isn't here. Running and running and running, just the way you're doing right now. Don't you see that it's killing us, Stanley? I wanted to stop. We would both be so much happier if we just stopped. And I think I have a solution. Here, let me show you.
Ah! Ist jetzt überall Türen aufgegangen? Okay, und welche nehme ich? Ja, ich nehme auf die. Oh Gott, nicht erschrecken, bitte. Mhm.
What do we want? What are we looking for?
Ah.
Here. Yes. Oh, it's beautiful, isn't it? If we just stay right here, right in this moment with this place, Stanley, I think I feel happy. I actually feel happy.
Okay. Da geht's weiter. Hä?
No, wait. Where are you going?
Ja, hier lang. Der einzige Weg.
Oh no. Stay away from those stairs. If you hurt yourself, if you die, the game will reset. We'll lose all of this.
Was passiert, wenn ich jetzt zurückgehe? Es sieht anders aus.
Good, good. We can't be too safe. Promise me you won't go back there. Just stay here.
Mal sehen, was passiert, wenn ich tue! Yay! Yay! Langeweile! Ich geh doch.
No. What do we talk about? You're risking everything we achieved here.
Mir egal.
You heard me before, didn't you? You will die. What about this isn't getting through to you?
Die Sorge, dass du dir da so sicher bist vielleicht?
Please, no, Stanley, let me stay here. Don't take this from me.
Ich soll mich... Nein, 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 doppel nein. How about a big can full of nope? Mal sehen, was passiert, wenn ich jetzt wieder zurückgehe. Ja, und ich will mich nicht umbringen. Hallo, wer bin ich denn hier? Bin ich, keine Ahnung, irgendwer, so ein Emo? Nein, bin ich nicht. Ich werde jetzt...
You are going to stay here, aren't you?
Ja. Ich will mich nicht umbringen, darum geht's. Ja, schöne Farben. Und so. Yay. Wahnsinn. Ah, scheiß drauf. Hm? Oh. Ah. Also mir fallen auf Anhieb nicht viele Spiele ein, das einen zwingt, einen umzubringen. Also sich selber, das ist dämlich. Ziemlich dämlich. Du bist dämlich, Spiel. Bäh.
Please, Stanley, think about what you're doing.
Ja. Geronimo!
Oh, thank God. You lived. You had me worried there for a moment. Now, no, what are you doing, Stanley? Please, I'm asking you not to take this away from me. I can't go back to what I was before. If you die, we'll both go back. Why are you doing this?
Weil da hinten nichts ist. Geronimo! Au, au, au!
Stanley, let's go back to the other room. Can you do that for me?
Ah, God, donut!
Yes, perhaps you can. Perhaps you finally see what I'm talking about. I know you'll see that we can't be happy if we leave this place. You can see that, can't you?
Im Nachhinein betrachtet war Turmspringen eigentlich auch ganz unterhaltsam. Mann! Spring ich ja nochmal runter. Mann, warum nicht? Das alte Disney-Gesetz.
Perhaps not. My God, is this really how much you dislike my game? That you'll throw yourself from this platform over and over to be rid of it? You were literally willing to kill yourself to keep me from being happy. Am I reading the situation correctly?
Naja, nein! Also, toll, der Typ macht ja irgendwie ein schlechtes Gewissen. Yay! Ow!
Or maybe you're just getting a kick out of it. I don't know anymore. I just wanted us to get along. But I guess that was too much to ask. It looks like you wanted to make a choice after all. Well, this one is yours.
Oh, komm on, das ist doch nicht. Sei ich
Do you
traurig.
actually want to stay alive? Or are you just teasing me?
Oh.
I wanted us to be happy here, Stanley. I really did. I wish I still thought that was possible.
Oh. Ja, und nu? Jetzt stehe ich hier, toll, wow, Wahnsinn. Was war's? Ich mach mal einen Cut.